Well, hello, y'all. I just wanted to wish you a happy Biscuits and Gravy Day. To celebrate, I'm gonna make a biscuits and sausage gravy pizza. Let's make it. I need to start by popping open 2 cans of biscuit dough. I got the buttermilk biscuits. Pop! I'm gonna form a circle with my biscuits on this pizza pan. And I'm gonna push it together and form myself a crust. I'm gonna bake this pizza crust in the oven at 350 for about 8 to 10 minutes. While that's baking, it's time to cook up some hot country-style pork sausage. I'm just gonna make some of this packaged country gravy that I just whisk in a cup of boiling water and a half cup of cool water. Try to get rid of those lumps. Add that gravy to those sausage crumbles. Add that sausage gravy. I'm gonna make 4 depression holes and crack an egg into each hole. Add some cheese and then bake for an additional 10 minutes until the eggs set. Biscuits and gravy pizza! Wow-wee! Ready to taste. Wonderful. And we have these biscuit crusts that we could put jam on top if we want. Biscuits and gravy pizza is awesome. Why are dentists' graves so hard to find? Because there's no plaque.